What is up, guys? It's been a while. I haven't posted a video in like, what, 3 weeks or something now. It's just getting caught up in the hype of the summer where you literally never get a break or anything. So it's just a lot to try to record and edit and get them all posted and shit. Yeah, we're gonna start getting some new stuff out coming soon. I got a lot of shit at home.
Be quiet.
I got a lot of stuff at home that I just have to edit and get out to you. But yeah, so I seen the one video got like 1,000 views. That's pretty good. So yeah, we'll get a couple more videos posted up soon. And I'm with Frankie.
What up, G?
We're on our way to another job. Looking like it's gonna rain.
See you in the rain.
We had a late start today. We came in at like 9 or something because it was pouring all morning. It cleared up a little bit.
I couldn't hear anything you just said.
I know. It cleared up a little bit, and then we went and did a church just now, and now we're heading to another church that we did. We just got to finish a little driveway that's there. So yeah, I guess I'll take you guys along this one with us.
Kinda.
All right, guys. Now
you look so good, boy.
I just sit here like this for like 10 minutes.
Just the intro. That's the whole video. Oh wow, I look like a little weirdo.
My face looks dirty.
What?
Oh, look at that hairy chest.
Oh,
one of them.
your hair?
Yeah.
Damn.
You see that?
I'm a fucking man, son.
All right, guys, we're going to the next job. This doodle ever shut the door. Oh, we gotta go to the shop now.
That's real shit.
What? Oh, shit. All right, we're heading to the. Peace. Alright, guys, we're doing this driveway. I guess what happened was National Fuel, sorry if you guys can't hear me, but National Fuel came here and did some work for these people, and they left like some scratches in the driveway, so they're like super picky. That's why I was going over it with the wire wheel like that, trying to get the dirt out, but that's what the driveway looks like. I'm just letting him finish cleaning up right now. That's what it looks like, him cleaning. Yeah, so let me get this set up and then we'll start sealing. Yeah, guys, so sorry if you couldn't hear me. What it is I think National Fuel did some work for these people, and they like left some dirt in the driveway, so they got kind of like mad about it, I guess, and so we're here to seal it. Super easy job. It'll take me and my brother like, what, 15 minutes or something to do this. Yeah. So we're just getting all this stuff strapped back down right now, and then yeah, we'll get the sealing. I think I'm gonna put the foam back in that same spot because it was a pretty good spot. I just wanted to move it because he was blowing. So let's see if I can get it set up here. Yeah, it looks like a pretty good spot to me. Boy. Yeah, that's fire. Alright guys, I've never really done this, but I'm gonna do sort of like a voiceover on this, because throughout all this, all you really hear is the engine of the sealer tank. So I'll probably leave it, you know, like dim in the background, but I'm sure you guys don't want to just listen to that the whole time. I'll also probably throw some music behind it. But so what you see him here doing is Frankie's closer to the house. He's just pulling the hose up towards the house, and I'm grabbing my squeegee, getting ready to go. He's starting to lay it out now, as you can see. He started on the left and went all the way around the garage, keeping it pointed away from the garage so that nothing hits the garage. And so he just left me a big pile, and I'm starting to cut it in up in that left corner there. And yeah, so pretty much it's just going to be like the same process over and over again all the way down the driveway. Essentially, I mean, you're just going to keep on laying it down. I'm going to keep on squeegeeing it down towards the end of the driveway. And yeah, so enjoy. I'll put some music on, and yeah, this is sealing, man.
My bad, had to switch the camera angle. I mean, Justin, killing it. Looking good. So hard to see.
Yeah, I don't think they know that's my word. I don't think they know that's my word. Yeah, that's my big on the set, what they said, but so I skip straight ahead to the bread part. Top out, I'm cool on the chick.